warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Nurul Hidayati. Here, I will share you about using storytelling as a tool for language acquisition in EFL. Storytelling is an activity that can help English learners during their development. There are many benefits of storytelling for children, as quoted in Rambe et al. In 2021. In the Journal of Early Childhood Education, there are 7 benefits of storytelling activities for English learners. Are you curious? Come on, let's take a look at the following explanation. The first benefits of storytelling is develop imagination abilities. The reader of the story can read the story in interesting way, and it makes the learners more creative and imaginative in imagining various storylines and reading. They will also follow the expression if the story reader will read the story. The second benefits of telling stories is its improved language skill and vocabulary. English learners will further develop by telling various stories. They will absorb a variety of new vocabulary, not only knowing the storytelling method, but also make it easier for them to understand the meaning of vocabulary and language. And if you want to advance foreign language, these storytelling activities can also be an alternative to make it easier for you to master the foreign language. The third benefits of storytelling is increase the curiosity. Usually, the knowledge from the stories that reads will arouse the interest of the children or the English learners and make them more curious about the other stories. Then they will continue to be curious about the various stories that they have never heard. True storytelling will make them more interested and want to know about various kinds of stories or many kinds of readings that they want to listen to. The fourth benefits of storytelling is develop children's storytelling abilities. Children usually will imitate what they see. And when the story reader read the story, they will observe and imitate how he expresses the story. And then they will imitate his storytelling style. And this will help develop children's storytelling abilities. And by using various expressions from what they see, can also help them express themselves when children tell stories about their experiences. The fifth benefits or the next benefits of storytelling is the storytelling method here can also be an alternative to make the learning process more enjoyable. Children usually enjoy the learning process more because it looks like just playing. Moreover, if the storyteller is able to tell the story in an interesting way, it will make the children more willing to learn. Storytelling can also be a variation of learning methods so that the learning does not seem boring to children. The next benefits of storytelling method is it can develop children's social skills because telling stories can help children become part of their social environment. Indirectly, storytelling activities will build children interaction and communication with the surrounding environment. So, they will know better how to build good interaction from the stories they read. Then, when the children socialize, they already know how to respond to things that happen. The last benefits of storytelling is it expands also the literacy regarding cultural and ethical values. Various stories that are read by the children making them increase their literacy, especially the cultural and ethical values that contained in the stories they read. The children or the learners will know more about the meaning of culture, the tradition, the morals that they get from the stories. So, this storytelling will strengthen the cultural values and even the ethics in the children themselves. Apart from the seven benefits, there is one more advantage in using storytelling as a method. That is storytelling in health education. The method can convey health message in an engaging and relatable way. It captures attention, simplifies complex concepts, and evokes emotion to enhance understanding and retention. Stories make health topic become more relatable, inspire behavior change, and can address diverse audience effectively. Well, now here we go to the conclusions. In fact, storytelling offers a dynamic and engaging approach to language acquisition in EFL. By combining linguistic input with cultural and emotional dimensions, it creates a holistic learning experiences.